Hello and welcome back to our channel, your go-to place for all things wild and wonderful. We've explored jungles, soared with birds, and dived into oceans together. Today we're diving into something truly extraordinary: animals and their superpowers. Just like superheroes in movies, many animals have incredible abilities that help them survive and thrive. From regeneration to echolocation, and from super strength to lightning speed, these natural superpowers are fascinating and offer amazing insights into nature and evolution. Join us on this exciting journey to uncover the superpowers of the animal kingdom. Whether you're a wildlife enthusiast, a curious learner, or just love a good story, this adventure is for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Regeneration. Many animals, such as starfish, lizards, and axolotls, can regenerate lost or damaged body parts. Starfish can grow new limbs and even regenerate an entire body from a single arm, though this process can take up to a year. Lizards, like geckos and anoles, can regrow their tails, although the new tail may lack some structures like bone and cartilage. Axolotls are exceptional regenerators, capable of regenerating limbs, spinal cords, hearts, and parts of their brains rapidly, with younger individuals regrowing limbs in about 40 to 50 days. The ability to regenerate is largely due to stem cells, which can develop into various cell types and tissues. In axolotls, stem cells differentiate and form a blastema at the injury site, which then proliferates and differentiates into the needed cell types, resulting in an exact replica of the lost limb. Humans have stem cells but have limited regenerative abilities compared to these animals. Scientists are studying the mechanisms of animal regeneration to develop therapies that could enhance human regenerative capabilities, potentially leading to treatments for spinal cord injuries, organ failure, and limb loss. Regeneration. Echolocation is a biological process used by bats and dolphins to navigate and find food. It involves emitting high-frequency sound waves that bounce off objects, allowing the animals to create a mental map of their surroundings. Bats use echolocation to fly and hunt in darkness, producing sounds in the 20 to 100 kHz range through their vocal cords. These sounds, beyond human hearing, are directed through the bat's mouth or nose and reflected back from objects. Bats detect the returning echoes with their sensitive ears. They can adjust the frequency and pitch of their calls to avoid interference from other bats and to adapt to environmental changes, aiding in navigation and communication. Dolphins produce a series of clicks, typically in the 20 to 120 kHz range, directed through their melanofatty organ in the forehead. The returning echoes are detected by the dolphin's lower jaw and fatty tissues in the forehead. Unlike bats, dolphins do not adjust their calls to avoid interference, as their short clicks minimize overlap with other dolphins' calls. This allows dolphins to navigate and hunt in water, though their echolocation system is less flexible than that of bats. Camouflage. Many animals use camouflage for protection and hunting, but some, like chameleons and octopuses, can change color and pattern to an extraordinary degree. Chameleons change their skin coloration using two layers in their skin. The top layer contains guanine nanocrystals that reflect and absorb different wavelengths of light, enabling them to display a wide range of colors such as pink, blue, red, orange, green, black, and brown. This mechanism allows chameleons to adapt their appearance for social signaling, communication, and thermoregulation. Octopuses have specialized cells called chromatophores, iridophores, and leucophores. Chromatophores contain pigments and change colors by expanding or contracting. Iridophores reflect light to create iridescent colors, and leucophores reflect light diffusely, resulting in a white coloration. These cells enable octopuses to change color rapidly for camouflage, blending into their surroundings to avoid predators or to ambush prey effectively. Other animals, such as cuttlefish, squid, and some crustaceans, also change color for camouflage. However, chameleons and octopuses are particularly notable for their exceptional control over their color-changing abilities, allowing them to adapt to a wide range of environments and situations. Electricity generation. Electricity isn't just for human devices. Many animals have evolved the ability to generate it, known as bioelectrogenesis, for hunting, defense, communication, and navigation. Electric eels, often mistaken for true eels, have specialized electric organs capable of producing up to 850 volts, stunning or killing predators. Electric rays, found in coastal waters, generate electric discharges of 8 to 220 volts for stunning prey or defense. Other examples include the black ghost knifefish, northern stargazer, and electric catfish, which use electricity for communication, navigation, and hunting. Specialized cells called electrocytes are responsible for generating electricity. These cells change the pattern of electrical charges under the control of the animal's nervous system, allowing for different types of electric discharges. The ability to generate electricity has evolved independently in different animal groups, showing its significant advantages for survival. Studying electric animals has also led to technological advancements like more efficient batteries and medical treatments such as electric stimulation for pain relief. Extreme survivals. Several animals have evolved remarkable adaptations to survive in extreme conditions. Cockroaches, known for their exceptional resilience, can thrive in a vast range of environments, enduring both freezing cold and scorching heat. They possess the ability to survive for months without water and can withstand high levels of radiation, a capacity unmatched among insects. Tardigrades, also known as water bears, are microscopic animals that can endure some of the most extreme conditions known to science. These incredible creatures can survive temperatures ranging from -200 degrees to +150 degrees Celsius. They are also capable of withstanding severe dehydration, losing up to 95% of their body water and then rehydrating when water becomes available. Additionally, tardigrades are remarkably resistant to high levels of UV and gamma radiation. Desert beetles have developed unique adaptations to cope with the harsh desert environment. To conserve water, these beetles have specialized kidneys that produce highly concentrated urine. Their thick cuticles help insulate them from the heat and reduce water loss. Furthermore, desert beetles have adapted to feed on water-rich plants, which further aids in their water conservation efforts. Other animals have also developed fascinating adaptations to extreme environments. Antarctic fish, for instance, have antifreeze proteins in their blood that prevent their bodies from freezing in the icy waters of the Antarctic. Similarly, Himalayan Sherpas, who live at high altitudes, have evolved physiological adaptations such as an increased red blood cell count and more efficient oxygen delivery to their bodies, enabling them to thrive in low-oxygen environments.